BMC ends tonight at midnight, which means at 12 midnight, that is it. No more entries. Get your entries right now, guys. Every $10 gives you 30 times entries. You can take the truck or $25,000 in cash. It doesn't matter what you buy. Hoodies, hats, stickers, whatever. Get your entries right now. The link is on the first comment. Go over there, shop, and get in there.
Miki Güero.
¡Esta pendejada, güey! ¡Qué puta de eso, güey! Se mamaron, pero mira, puro perno.
Mira.
Pull up.
Alrighty, guys, so we're putting up to a meet hosted by Origins. I think it's like a big car page over here in California, and we're gonna put up to one of their meets today. Oh, ahí se escuchan los carros, güey.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. And there's an In-N-Out right next door.
Un chingo de hambre.
Ketchup's favorite. So let's pull up, guys. The guys are following us at the dually.
Oh, yeah?
Oh shit, that's exactly what I wanted to hear, Ketchup.
Yes, sir.
Something different, guys. We're out here in California. We're putting up to a car meet. Let's see how it gets down.
El Evo.
¿Eh?
El Evo que tienen ahí. En el trailer.
Damn it, boy.
Damn. Wide body? This is regular traffic.
What kind of regular traffic? Hold on, let's see. Oh, acá están, güey. Guys, Ketchup's seen the parking lot over here and he's like, this is the regular traffic.
Bicicletas y todo traen.
Oh, la verga, it's packed, güey.
Damn. Oh shit, it is.
Damn, son. You're right.
Oh no. Yeah.
Ah, la
Oh, fuck. Lift this bitch up, wait.
Nah.
You're in a parking lot.
What time how's it going?
As soon as these guys park, I want to get you in here.
Yeah, boy, look at all these rides.
Hey, mira. Mira, Daniel.
Verga, güey, no.
Mira para Daniel. No.
Damn. Hell yeah. You know?
Wide body. Oh, this is the one I showed you on the story.
Hell yeah. This is badass. Damn, Ketchup, the time you don't bring your gimbal,
I know.
we need it. It's got some nice rides out here. ¿Se atoraron o qué, güey? ¿Ahorita en la vuelta?
No, nomás que nos dijeron que para allá te iban a parquear con los Lambos.
Ajá.
Y que nosotros nos parqueamos aquí, que le tenemos que iban a poner estos two spots.
Ah, ok. Damn, es un badass car. Está allá un Porsche.
Porsche.
El
911.
Rockwell, yeah.
Se ve pack, está lleno, güey.
Yeah.
Deme, pa. A ver qué encontramos aquí.
I get racks on racks on racks, that's why I don't got time for 2 cents. I get text on text from Lil' Ho, she's such a nuisance. Dog, I'm always shining, now they call me Stanley Kubrick. Building with my bros, it's like we all just got the blueprints. In the Batmobile, now I'm really on some Bruce shit. Even when they doubted, homie, I swear that I knew this. I ain't taking shots, but you can wear it if the shoe fits. Out here with
It's not Texas. This shit's everywhere here.
Double.
Double double?
Le dan
¿Tú, güey?
mostado. También.
¿Tú?
I'm gonna try that one.
¿Tú, güey?
Double for sure.
Me van unos tacos de bajita.
Deme, pa. ¿De birria no quieres?
No, ya comí.
¿Quieres una hamburguesa con tortillas de harina?
Sí. Yo quiero una torta de esas que están ahí.
Están a $5, mira. Pinche double.
Damn it,
Hey,
Bob.
a ver, pinche corte de Hitler. ¿Tú, güey? A ver.
Era un rebuy.
No, el corte.
El corte de pelo te dice. Oh, es que necesito peinarme, vale. ¿No? Si se ve o no.
I get text on text from Lil Ho, she's such a nuisance. Dog, I'm always shining, now they call me Stanley Kubrick. Building with my now I'm really on some new shit. Even when they doubted, homie, I swear that I knew this.
Mira, la Jeep ya. Estaba laseando el cut.
Boy. El flamethrower. ¿Dónde vamos? ¿Seguimos al Mustang?
Como ves. Que saque más lumbre el que.
We left at the perfect timing, guys.
Mira, tenemos un chingo de gente, güey.
Hell yeah. Good job, guys. Thank you for following. I almost hit that car.
Damn, those two are fucking loud, way.
I thought somebody had crashed behind us. It was a loud bang.
The Mustang freaking flame was fucking high. my car's exhaust, I could throw some flames like that.
Imagine that shit would be badass. There's some big ass flames.
Ya se van los Kes. Nah, ya se van los compas. That shit was lit though.
I know.
Guys, so we asked them where they were going. They said they're going home already. We were trying to follow them, see if they're going to another spot, but I guess it's time to go home.
It was fun though, man. Hell yeah, the fucking flames.
Hey, them flames look sick driving down the street.
I
man.
know. You know,
I don't know who tuned their cars, but whoever did, they shoot some big ass flames, boy.
Hell yeah. Y en el freeway dando, güey.
Yeah.
That shit's fucking sick.
No, well, let's put the address back home. I didn't even have to miss my exit, look. I didn't even have to miss my exit.
My clutch! I just blew the
abrió ese BMW?
Sorry, cut! Not today! Not today.
What are you saying?
That he missed his clutch. I don't think it would have made a difference.
Damn. De eso de la nada, ¿verdad, güey?
Yeah, that was crazy.
Oh, shit.
Well, that concludes our night. Guys, it was a night full of adrenaline. But we're back home. Thank you guys for watching. Guys, if you're watching this, remember the giveaway on the GMC. And it's this Sunday at midnight. Don't miss out. Get your entries. You can take the truck or 25K cash. Lamborghini, it's almost time for it to get the upgrades that we're going to do to it. But for now, it's putting in work, as you guys seen on the video.